One thing that I want to discuss is keeping good company, especially here in this country. المرء على دين خليل فلينظر أحدكم من يخالل. Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, a man is on the religion of his friend. So each of you looked at who is your friend. المرء على دين خليل. Who's your friend? Tell me about your friend, I'll tell you about yourself, about your personality. You tell me about your company, I'll tell you about yourself. What kind of person you are. Before making friendship, look at the personality of that person. Will he help me to closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, to closer to the masajid? He will take me towards the drugs. He will take me towards the pubs and clubs. Where he will take me? الْأَخِلَّاءُ يَوْمَئِذٍ بَعْضُهُمْ لِبَعْضٍ عَدُوٌّ إِلَّا الْمُتَّقِينَ. Friends on that day will be enemies of each other except the righteous friends. If you make good friends, that will not only help in this dunya, but that will help you on the day of judgment. They will protect you because of your friendship. They will take you from the Jahannam to the path of Jannah. And the last point is